everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change your avatar on Uno using your mobile device. Changing your avatar in Uno on a mobile device is a simple process. Launch the Uno app open on your mobile device and then from the main homepage, tap on your profile avatar, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This will then open up your profile, from where you can simply tap on your avatar on the screen. From the list of avatars, you will be able to choose one of the avatars from the list. Some of the avatars has not been unlocked yet. Browse through them and select the one you want. If you have logged in to Uno with Facebook, you will also be able to use your Facebook account's avatar as your avatar for your Uno account as well. After selecting the available options for avatar, click on confirm, and there you have successfully changed your avatar for Uno. So that is how you can easily change avatar on Uno with your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.